Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with documents and a clear goal. Gather your ID, recent pay stub, and bank details now. Once ready, open the branch app and create or sign into your account. Make sure notifications and location are enabled for verification. Tap Apply, pick the loan amount and repayment term, and review the quoted APRA and fees so you understand cost. Proceed only after confirming totals. This saves surprises later and speeds approval. You now handle verification, which is the most detailed part. Follow prompts carefully and stay patient. First, complete the selfie and ID photo steps. The app may ask for a liveness scan to prevent fraud. Next, upload your income documents, pay stubs, bank statements, or employment verification, and make sure to redact unrelated sensitive details. Finally, link your bank for instant validation or accept microdeposits. Once your account is confirmed, the system moves you to underwriting. You finish by carefully reviewing the final offer, check principal, term, interest, fees, and monthly payment. These numbers determine affordability. When ready, tap Accept and sign electronically. Branch will initiate funding, and money typically arrives within 1 business day, though timing depends on your bank. If you don't see funds, first confirm your linked account and microdeposits, then check app notifications and email. If problems persist, contact support with your application ID. They can trace the disbursement and resolve holdups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.